Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel KhanPedia. Today in this video we will talk about Ausbildung or vocational training in Germany. We will cover topics related to what is Ausbildung, different professions, different eligibility criteria, requirements, how to apply, when to apply and the visa requirements. So let's start with what is Ausbildung? Ausbildung is a distinctive feature of the German education system in which you can have your theoretical and practical knowledge. You will have a chance to go to vocational school 1 to 2 days a week or to the company, which is 3 to 4 days per week. So you will learn your practical and theoretical knowledge side by side in your 2 or 3 years course of any profession in during Ausbildung. Then different courses or different professions which are available. So the good thing is you can apply to any profession or whichever you like, from medical, IT, agriculture, education, political, or etc. You can apply to any profession. I will attach these links, or I will go to these links later, in which you can see which professions or are available and what you will have in under those professions. So, what are the benefits? So, in addition to having your theoretical knowledge, you will also have your practical skills. You will get certificate after your Ausbildung, which is very important for getting a job. You will have very good chances getting job after your Ausbildung course. You will have a salary or a stipend during your Ausbildung of 2 to 3 years. You will get like stipend every month, depending upon your profession or your employer. Then who can apply? The minimum age limit is 18 and there is no upper age limit. So after 18, anyone can apply, and the minimum degree requirement is metric. But for after FSC, BS or MS, you can still apply. So most commonly in Germany, people or students after matric or FSC, they apply for vocational schools because they don't want to go higher in universities. So they simply go to the vocational schools. But if you already have done your BS or MS, so no worries, you can still apply for Ausbildung. So there is no upper age limit or upper degree limits. Then salary. There are some professions like IT or engineering, or in which you will have a higher salary range above 1200, but the normal range is from 1000 to 1400 euro, depending upon your profession or your employer. Some companies will give you less amount as compared to other big or good companies. So which are the high demand courses, or in which you will have high chances of getting jobs or a good amount of stipend during your Ausbildung. So IT, computer science or programming or technicians, like engineering, any kind of, or industrial engineering, and then nursing in the or medical assistant, there you will get more demand of employment in Germany, and also good range of stipend during the Ausbildung. When to apply? So the good thing is you can apply all around the year. Some companies can accept the applications all around, but mostly in many companies, the applications opens in the start of year in January or February, but still you can apply to all the year around, in depending upon in which profession you want to apply. So, what are the requirements of Ausbildung in Germany? First of all, your past degree, either it's matric, FSC, BS, or MS, it should be equivalent to the German education system, which you have to do before applying. So you can use this link. I will show you later how to do your equivalency, and then CV or cover letter. It's very important when you will apply or sending your application to the companies. You have to send a good CV and cover letter. You can have a look of how to make a CV or cover letter for applying in our YouTube channel. And then you should have German B1. The minimum is German B1 language certificate, or in some cases or in some professions they also demand for B2 or C1, like in medical they also demand for B2 or higher language level. So this is the most important criteria, because Ausbildung is only available in German language, not in English or any other language. And the next thing is there is no grades requirement. Whatever degree you have, there is no maximum or minimum grades requirements. And then how to apply, I will show you these links through these websites to how to apply and how to search companies later. After getting all the things or after getting your contract letter, then you can apply for the visa depending upon whichever country you are. You will check just your German local embassy, their website and their requirements, and you have to get the visa appointment. And on the visa appointment day, you have to bring your contract letter, which is the most important thing for your visa, and then your, of course, your passport, your block amount. What's block amount? So most of the time companies are giving the stipend, so you don't have to show your block amount. But unfortunately, if sometimes if the company is giving less amount of money, less than 1000 or less than 900 euro, then you have to show a minimum amount of 980, around 980 euro monthly, to the embassy, that for at least 1 year, that you have enough money so you can support yourself during your Ausbildung course in Germany. So most of the cases you don't have to worry about it, but sometime you also have to check the amount which will be given to you during your Ausbildung. So depending upon this criteria, you have to adjust the remaining amount of money, which is most commonly 30-40 euro per month. So for example, if your employer is giving you 930 euro and the block amount requirement is 980 euro per month, so the remaining 50 euro, 50 into 12, you can convert the money for 1 year. So you have to block this amount. Simply you have to open a German bank account. You have to transfer your money to that account, and you will bring that confirmation receipt with you on your visa day. Then visa form, of course, you simply have to fill it and print and then bring with you your health insurance. Yeah, this is very important. You should have to apply before your visa appointment, the travel insurance or your health insurance uh, for 1 month, and then when you come to Germany, you can then have your remaining insurance. You can apply, you can get it. And then German B1 or B2, which is also a requirement for getting the visa. Then now we will go to the website. In the first one is Life in Germany, Alle Berufe. This is in German. You can convert it into English. And through this website, you can search all the professions which are available in Germany, or you can decide whichever you are interested, or if you are not interested in any or you want to select, so you can have a look at all the professions which are available in Germany. So for example, we go to the IT careers, or we will select IT system electronics engineer. We will convert it into German, and then we just simply copy this profession, and then we go to the next website here, that planetberufe.de. In this website, you can just simply search your desired or interested profession here, and then search. Then you will get all the results or information related to that profession, like what will you do after getting a job, what will your day looks like, what is the what are the content, or what are the insights of that profession. So here you can see I got 23 results. So I will just simply click on the first one. Here you can read, so what this profession or these professional persons do during their job or during their employment. So you can have a look all these articles and the videos. So after deciding your profession two, from these two websites, now you can find the Ausbildungs or the vocational training schools or companies which are providing Ausbildung courses in those professions. So once you have selected your desired profession, then you will come to this website, ausbildung.de. Here you will write your profession and you will search it. You will convert it into German because this work, and then you will search your profession, and you will get the results, which is 296. It means you can see in English, it means there are 296 positions of Ausbildungs available in this IT system electronic technician profession. So we just click on this, and then you will know which companies are giving this course or this profession. So here you can see the average salary amounts which will be given to you during your Ausbildung course. So first year you will get 980 to 100 150 euro. Second year the amount will increase, and third year again they will increase the salary amount. Here you can read all the requirements or something. They have provided some general information, and there are the companies which are offering the Ausbildung in this profession. So DB, which is the German train system, telecom, they are giving all here you can see how many places they are offering, how many free space they have. One free space. Here you can see the city. Here you can see the starting date. So simply we will just apply, we'll just have a look on the first one. uh, it's in the Magdeburg in Saxony-Anhalt province. Here you can see your tasks, application deadline which is ongoing, length of time is 3 years, and the start date is 28 July 2025. Your benefits, your qualifications. Here you can see they have written that you should have secondary school certificate or high school diploma, which is metric or FSC. How you apply? You can apply with CV, cover letter, your last certificates, or if you have an internship, you can also attach with your application, and this, and then you can just click on apply now. For example, uh, um, yeah, so here they have said that it, I think it's already filled, or you can check some other. If it's filled, you can check on this one. mm, Here you can read all the things, and then you can click on the apply now. And yeah, so there they have given a complete application form. First of all, you have to put your CV, certificates, then your personal data, and privacy policy, or just click it, and then you have to just apply. So yeah, this is it's most commonly it's very simple to apply. You just need your CV, your cover letter, German language, your past degrees, and your passport, and then you can apply simply. So, and for equivalency, I have also shown this link in the uh, I will attach this link in the video. Here you can just simply write your profession, and which part of Germany you want to work or you will like to work, and then your profile, and then they will tell you how to apply to online. This is also very simple. You just have to upload your degrees online, and then you have to give them some very less amount of fees, and then they will just assist you in your equivalency process. So this is a video, and I will attach all the links in the video. If you find it interesting and helpful, you can share it with your friends, and if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to answer all your queries or questions. So thank you.